Hello guys, today we'll be unboxing a G-Shock that I just bought. It's the model GA2300 4ADR, so it's the pink version. As you can see, I'm already a fan of G-Shock. I've got the H2000 connected watch, so we can connect it to your phone, receive messages. It's got heart rate monitor and everything. So I found this pink model online and it looked really cool, so I ended up ordering it. So I ordered it off a website called Creation Watches. So I'm currently living in France and I needed to pay total it was 130 euros because it was 90 euros plus 40 euros of customs, so that was quite annoying to pay. So I ended up paying nearly the retail price on it, which is like 130 euros. So yeah, when you open the box, you've got a few documents. So you've got the international warranty card, as you can see here. Yeah, so here's the guarantee. I don't know exactly what this entails, but yeah, you get the warranty card. You also get a little leaflet here describing all the watch functions and stuff like that. And here's the watch. So it already looks a bit smaller than my current watch. Let's unbox this. Yeah, it looks really cool. I love the color of it. As you can see, bracelet is pink. I don't know if you can see it well, but there's like this little X on the dial, which is really cool. I love that little X. It's got the days of the week. Yeah, it's got lots of different functionalities. It's got the pink dial behind. The light also, that seems to be pink. So yeah, it's really cool. I don't know how you set the time on it though, so I need to see that. But yeah, it looks really cool. The bracelet is quite hard compared to this watch, H2000. So you can see the difference of sizes is really impressive. It's way smaller than the H2000. And also the bracelet on this one is really like quite soft and flexible. This one is quite rigid. And you can see you can you can put it like flat down like this. Whilst as this one you can't really do it. You can do it now because the weight is starting to get a bit heavy, but you can see under the difference is like this. So this is carbon under and this is stainless steel, I think. Yeah, stainless steel. So I'll put the watch on to see how it looks when like I'm wearing it. Yeah, see, it's way smaller than the H2000, but it's a really cool watch. I really like the color of it. It's really a bright watch. It looks quite cool, I think. Right. Maybe it's a bit tight. I'll put it on this one. Maybe this is a bit not enough tight. What's practically no? Have you got two? Can't really tell. No, they're connected. So yeah, what I like is like the the two little, I forgot the name of it. The two little things here. They've got like a pink little colour inside, which I find quite cool. And yeah, the watch is really nice looking watch in my opinion. And even if it's a pink colour, I don't think it's like too feminine. I think it's got more of a masculine actually look to it. It's quite aggressive and it's got like a lot of sharp angles, which wouldn't really go on. Well, it would go on some kind of women, but it's not a feminine watch. as per se. But it definitely is a unisex, so it can be worn by either men or women that like the aggressive and sharp angles to their stuff. So yeah, tell me what you think about it. Like here, when I'm a bit more in the light, it's like this. So it's quite bright. It's overall a really nice looking watch. So I made this video, yeah, just to share my new watch to you. So please tell me if you like it, if you've got the same watch, if you've got another colour or something like that. And yeah, see you in the next video.